So now let's see how we can work around with fixed duration task type inside of Microsoft Project. So over here, you can see that I am in the task uses view right here. And then over here, I have added in the assignment units column and the peak column as well. So in order to change the task type to fixed duration, I'm going to go around over here in the details section right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, you can see that right now, if I were to go around and click on any one of the tasks right here, let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and select the crew member. You can see it is fixed, set to fixed work right here. But if I were to go around and set it to, let's say, for example, fixed duration right here, then you can see that there's a certain duration for this particular task right here. Let me just go around onto the task tab and then scroll to tasks right here. And you can see that there's a certain duration for this particular task. And if I set it to fixed duration and change the work hours, so let's say, for example, the work hour required is 400, you can press enter. Then what happens is that the date does not change, as you can see. So the number of days does not expand. That is because we set it to fixed duration. So let's say, for example, you have to complete in 6 days, but the work hour required is 400 hours. Then it'll divide it accordingly right here without changing the overall day right here. So let me just go around, type in 600, and you can see that the overall work duration changes out for each day, and it doesn't affect the days right here. And you can see the peak being affected right here, but the assignment units is just 100%. And that is how you can use the fixed duration task type inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.